Hello foodies! Today I am going to make a crispy Parmesan Milanese, that's Milan style, of roasted chicken. Okay? So I have in this bowl, I have a cut up chicken, okay, an egg, garlic, parsley, some lemon juice, and I've had this in the refrigerator for about a couple of hours marinating. And then in this bowl, I have the coating. We're going to put in a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese with some beautiful breadcrumbs, some parsley, some garlic, salt and pepper, and we're going to bread these. They've been marinating in the lemon juice and the egg and everything, and then we're going to bread these and we're going to put them on our roasting pan over here, and we are going to roast it all up. And I think I'll do it with some potatoes today. And I want you to watch all of our shorts with this, which I will show you how we put it together and then how later on it comes out of the oven and we get to eat this delicious smelling Parmesan coated delicious Milanese, Milan style chicken. And you know, the style of Milan or Milanese has to do with lots of different things. One of them is their breading. In Milan, Italy, they do breading. You probably also know that the panettone comes from Milan. That's another thing that comes from Milan. Polenta originated from Milan. That's another thing. So you can use polenta, and with this chicken, it would be really good, or potatoes. I'm going to use potatoes today. A nice vegetable, salad, and you have a dinner. So there we go. This is the easy way. And if you don't have any Parmesan cheese, just bread it with your Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And if you don't have any parsley to put in, just do it that way and get started. Just get started in your kitchen. Because you know what? Once you get started, you're going to get crazy like I do with it. And you're going to start making this, that, and everything else. And then next thing you know, you have a restaurant like we did. And my God, you're feeding other people and you're coming to their table and I'm wearing the bib and the whole 9 yards. But you know what? That is in the past. So now I'm teaching you. And so as we learn to do these things, let's make it easy on ourselves. These are easy things to do. You turn on your oven, you let it do the work. When it's cooked, you take it out, nice and brown and crispy and tasty, and you have a dinner for your family in no time at all. So there we have it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please watch the shorts that are titled the same as this so that you can follow along as I put this together and put it in the oven, then take it out and we eat it. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzos, as always, thanking you all, and we love you, and we'll see you again on the culinary expedition that we call cooking, eating, and enjoying. We love you all. This is Pete at Carpizzos Kitchen, out.